welcome to channel AJ, and today I'm going to show you all how to create this glass makeup look right here. Now there are a lot of glass makeup looks available. You've got the natural one, you've got the extra glam one. I've done it somewhere in between, like your skin is reflective but with pop of color, and this is perfect for marriages, receptions, parties or pool parties. You're just out of the water, nice glowing. So if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, make sure you keep watching till the end, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So whenever it comes to glass skin, it is very important that your skin looks naturally healthy and hydrated from within. So I've just washed my face and toned my skin. I'm going to use the Belif Aqua Bomb Moisturizer, and it has a very nice gel-like consistency, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. As my primer, I'm going to use the MAC Radiance Pink Primer, and this is what I had received as a sample. It is nice and sparkly, so I think this is what I'm going to go for. This is what it looks like. So this is what the primer looks like. Now I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and I'm in the shade NC35. So now, as this doesn't have a pump, I'm going to take this beauty blender from Color Bar, and I'm going to just pour a little bit over here. Now, as this is a completely gloss look, you need to just apply a little bit of loose powder so that your foundation doesn't get cakey by the end of the day. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is my favorite loose powder. I cannot ever stop using it. So I'm just going to take a little, very little on my brush. And this contains titanium dioxide, so I'm going to stop my breath and I'm going to apply it. Something like that, because stopping your breath is not good. So see, just a little bit so that the shine is there but the foundation won't get cakey by the end of the day. So to contour my stick, I'm going to use the K Beauty Contour Stick in Caramel Focus, and I'm going to contour with it. I'm going to use the K Beauty Martini Lip Crayon in the shade Rom-Com, and I'm going to use this as my blush and my eyeshadow. I'm not happy with how it looks like a blush, so I'm going to use the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color in the shade Aria, and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. So for my glitter eyeshadow, I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Love You So Mochi eyeshadow palette, and it has got some really pretty glittery colors out there. I'm going to take this peach light glitter shade right here. These are really pigmented. I know this might sound crazy, but I'm going to use the Glam Glow Booster Moisturizer, and now I'm going to apply it all over my face, over all this makeup. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I applied this because what happens is others, all these makeup artists, they have got this illuminating spray, like Patrick Ta has it and many other people have it, so but we don't have it and they're very expensive. So that's why I use this at the end. I could have mixed it with my foundation, but that makes the foundation very cakey, so I thought why not this. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. For my lips, I'm going to use the Masaba lipstick. This is in the shade Nimbu Pani, and I'm going to I'm going to line my lips with it and then fill it up lightly. For my gloss, I'm going to use the Nykaa gloss in the shade Star Crossed. I'm going to use the same lip gloss on my eyelids. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Nykaa liquid eyeliner in the shade Dragon's Heart, and I'm going to apply very light layer and thin layer of this. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. I'm going to use the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus spray, and I'm going to set my face with this. You should never leave your body behind. So to get that nice glow on my body, I'm going to use a Glam Glow Starter, and this is in the shade Pearl Glow, and I'm going to apply it on my neck. The earlier one that I applied on my face had golden tint to it, and this has pink tint to it. You can see instantly how glowing this is. It's so reflective, and oh wow, I am loving it, and in person it looks amazing. It's like you're having that natural glow on your skin, and plus you have done makeup, so you know you've got healthy skin, good makeup, now you're good to slay. And my entire face is glowing. That is what glass makeup look means. Like no matter where you are, whether you are under the sunlight or some different light, your entire face should be reflective, and I am loving this look so much. We are so much into matte these days. I think I'm a fan of gloss again. Now this makeup look you cannot wear every day, but you can definitely wear it on any special occasions. I'll definitely make a natural glass makeup look which you can wear daily. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this look, and do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. See you until next time.